Hey, it's Chelsey, and welcome to my Belly Booty Blast program. Today we will be doing some fun dance-inspired moves to really tone that low belly, that six-pack, those obliques, and build those glutes. Let's start. Feet turned out, those heels together, toes apart. You can keep the hands on the hips. We just do nice calf raises up and down. Here we go. So squeezing along the back side of those legs and really keeping that turnout right here. Again, feeling that lift in that low belly so we're nice and tall in that spine. Controlled, going up and down. Beautiful, almost there. Embrace this activation burn. Last one. All right, take those legs nice and wide. You can extend the arms out. We'll press the knees back into this beautiful sumo squat or a second, and then come up. So each time, pressing them back. 3, 2, and 1. So again, nice and lifted. Those arms are either reaching out or if you'd like to have them a little bit rounded. And we're focusing on that lower body. So legs are nice and wide, toes turned out. And breathe. Always looks easy in dance, but if you have done it before, you know it's really burning. All right, stay in this wide second from here. We're gonna jump it up and back down. So remember, as you come down, be nice to those knees. Take your weight in. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. So jumping up and down. Find that straightening in that leg through the toes, and then nice and easy, press the knees back down. Keep breathing, keep lifting in that upper body. Remember to smile, tricking that brain, we're having fun. No burning here. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. All right, bring those legs together, keep them turned out. We're going into what is called a fifth position. So that right leg is gonna start in front. We'll bring the arms out to the side from here. Kick it up towards that hand, bringing it to the back, and back to the front. Keep it going, use that core to lift that leg up. Nice and steady on that stable leg, so really pressing that left leg into the ground as you reach the toes all the way up towards that hand. Nice. Switching back to front. Almost there, keep those hips in line. 3, 2, and 1. Switch so that left leg's in front. Rotate within those hips. Extend the arms out. Again, we kick front and back. Lift nice and long and tall. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Lifting up through the spine, through the crown of the head, and kicking that leg all the way up. Beautiful. Lifting, engaging that core. Just front and back. The leg does not need to be as high either, as long as that core gets activated. And time. All right, bring those legs to parallel. Keep the arms out to the side. From here, we go 2 dégagés or kicks out to the side, and then we switch. All right, here we go. So really point that foot as you lengthen it out. Find that activation in that glute. Remember, 1, 2, and then switch. 1 and 2. Nice and easy, getting that balance, that activation, and that bonus with the arms out. Stay lifted in that core as you transition from side to side. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Stay here, turn the feet out, heels together, toes apart. Lengthen those arms out. Again, 2 dégagés to the side, keeping that rotation, switching to the other side. Here we go. So as you do this, make sure and press those shoulders down. So I know we've been holding our arms out for a while, so don't let them come here to help support the body, but rotate them down and back. Again, lengthening out through the toes, finding that rotation in the hips. 3, 2, and 1. Let's turn those feet back parallel, reach the arms all the way up. From here, we'll shift our weight to the left side, bringing that right leg up, finding that knee to ankle, switch other side. Here we go. So reach, find that balance, try and get this nice and controlled, just reaching side to side. I like to take my gaze over there. I'm almost switching my focus, making it a tad bit harder. So keep reaching either up or side, getting that super great crunch in that side oblique. 3, 2, and 1. All right, nice wide second. Keep those knees pressing back. From here, we rotate to the right side into that lunge, rotate back to center, and again to the left. All right, here we go. Taking it down, keep those knees open over those ankles. Nice and controlled, rotating within that hip socket. Staying low, activating those beautiful glute muscles. Keep breathing right here. Relaxing that heart rate, even though we're still pushing through it. Beautiful. 3, 2, and 1. Let's make our way down. Come up into a crunch, hands by those ears, that shoulders stay up the whole time. Extend that right leg, knee into your chest. Take a little twist. We slowly rotate to the other side. Go ahead and join me now. Remember, nice and slow, finding that connection with that elbow and that knee. Each time, slowly pressing that belly button towards the ground. And from here, slower the better. Keeping those shoulder blades off the ground. Beautiful, keep breathing, keep pushing. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Drop both knees to that left side. Extend that right leg out. Hands behind those ears again. We'll just simple crunching up from here. Keep that leg activated, pressing down. Here we go. So exhale, think of reaching your chin all the way up towards the wall. Finding that beautiful crunch in this right side. Keep breathing, keep pushing. Almost to that finish line. Find a little pause and a hold too. And time, other side. So dropping those knees to the left side, extend that leg out, hands behind those ears. Here we go, crunching up. And 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. You can exhale everything out as you bring that chest up. Keeping those elbows nice and wide, so all of that work is coming from that core instead of those arms, right? Nice. Find that movement to breath right here. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, from here, you can keep those hands planted on the ground. We extend our legs out, pop them all the way up, and slowly extend those hips back down. Here we go. So send those hips as high as you can, slowly lowering them back down. I kick them out halfway just to get some momentum to press them back up. Really getting into those low core muscles, as well as what we call those 6-pack abs. 3, 2, and 1. Plant the feet right here. Keep those arms pressing into the mat. We'll rise up into this glute bridge and hold right here. All right, here we go in 3, 2, and 1. So keep those hips in line, press into those shoulders, and find this activation in those glutes. Keep pressing. If you feel them drop a little bit, squeeze them back up. We're almost done, so finding this beautiful line from the knees to the shoulders. Breathing, squeezing. 3, 2, and 1. Wonderful job today. I recommend doing this one 4 to 5 times a week, really building that solid foundation in the core and glute muscles. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.